from this local government too, they don't come express their mind and to sign the condolence register as well. At them day here. Good morning. Good morning, sir.
Thank you. Good morning.
I better tell us your name.
My name is Ajo Temitayo Simani, the Acting General Secretary of Akoko North West Government.
Okay, how you take see this matter will take happen?
In fact, it was a very sudden and nobody prepares to hear about it. But when something happens like this, we have nothing to call on than to say God or when But today, we the youth of Akoko North West are here to also sympathize with the KBC, the Circular of Arikidiki, on behalf of our people. But by the grace of God, tomorrow we want to make a solidarity labor in all Arikidiki, so that to let people know that this is happening. People to know that yes, the man of God has already gone back in his fatherland.
Okay. How you go take as person go take describe the man of God?
The man of God is man of people. In fact, a philanthropist. The man that cares about the life of people. In fact, there is nothing on earth I cannot use to describe him because he's a man of all. The man that does not believe in tribalism, does not believe in anything, just know that yes, in as much as from heaven, he will care for him.
Thank you for your time.
Thank you.
When talkback is on, it provides spoken feedback so that you can use your back button out of list. Double tap to activate double.
And this now student from the town and their teachers with them there for the palace of the Zaki of Arigidi Akoko.
A nílò láti dúpẹ́ torí pé fún àwọn ìdí pàtàkì. Ìdí àkọ́kọ́ ni wípé
And they offer prayer
pé ẹ ràn wọ́n lọ́wọ́ ẹ jẹ́ kí ó jẹ́ pé
they
láti
come visit
ìlú
the monarch
ni
for his palace for Arigidi Akoko.
àwọn èèyàn máa sọ pé orin rẹ̀ kan á lè jáde láti Násárẹ́tì yìí. Gbogbo àgbáyé pátápátá gbé ìgbésẹ̀.
Good morning, sir.
Accessibility. Navigate up
Please
button.
tell us your name and
Setting suggestions.
My name is Oluwani Fishe.
Short hidden.
To call me Authentic.
Accessibility.
I am
Navigate
the
up.
General Secretary of Akoko Youth Forum.
Setting suggestions.
okay, how you go
Point
take
names.
describe what happened?
Double tap to activate.
yeah.
Accessibility.
Recent incident has been the death
Accessibility
of our
usage.
father,
One app has phone.
Prophet TB Joshua. It's a
Setting.
sudden shock.
Accessibility.
Entire-
Accessibility usage. Navigate up button.
Entire people in the country, because it's not what anybody is expecting, but God give it and God take it. So to the glory of God, we still continue to give glory to God.
You as person, waiting, how you go take describe Pastor TB Joshua?
Well, my personal description of him is, we always call him Papa. He's a father to all. He's a father to the bold, old, and the young, to the helpless and to the helper. He's a father to everybody. I'm the General Secretary of Akoko Youth Forum once again. He is the co-founder. He is the founder of Akoko Youth Forum. I could remember then when he was alive, when we used to go. Whenever we go there, to go and pay him a courtesy visit, whatever, he always advised us that youth, go and bring yourself together. He always told us that he doesn't have any interest in Emini Akoko Dramatic Society, Emini Akoko Kinekon. He always wants everybody to be together. And that is the legacy he has laid before everybody before he left. And that is what we are doing. As you can see, all the youth here, we are all members of Akoko Youth Forum. And we are here today to conduct the solidarity work. But due to the consultation to our kings and the chiefs, we have been told that we should postpone it till tomorrow, in which we are very We are going to make sure tomorrow no market or market woman or shop is open between the whole Arigidi Akoko tomorrow. It's not because we are fighting or whatever. It's for us to honor the man of God for what he has done to the community, to the state, to the country, and to the world at large. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Now the youth, now them still they speak, and their president with this. I beg, tell us your name.
I'm Ambassador Abiola Bayo Ajibu, acting president of Akoko Natural Street Forum.
Okay, how you would describe the sudden death of Pastor TB Joshua?
That the man of God have just gone without any documentation. It's just aware. I was at around 12:30 yesterday. They called me that from the United States of America that the man of God has gone. I was just surprised. Wow. Instantly I called my KBC. He explained everything what happened to me. It's a great shock to me. And presently now we are in Arigidi to mobilize our people for solidarity work. In Arigidi presently now to sympathize with the whole community, to show that man of God is the man of the people that contribute massively when it comes to the development of Akoko land and youth and insecurity. When you have the challenge of insecurity in Akoko Natural, the man brought car to all the security personnel in the 4 local government. When Akoko was blacked out, without 2 years without street light, electricity, the man restored our life. Then all the politicians failed to assist. All the personality in Akoko failed us. But man called as Messiah at that time and restore our life. So I really appreciate him for his contribution so far to the development of Akoko and Ondo State and Nigeria at large.
Thank you. Now the palace we still there, and people will be coming to sign the condolence register. See, they offer their prayers. You can see. Báwo lẹ̀yin ṣe rí nǹkan tí ó ṣẹlẹ̀ sí mi?
Ìbànújẹ́ ló jẹ́ fún ìlú Arigidi. Èmi olóyè ìyá ìwé ìlú Arigidi ló ń bá yín sọ yìí. Ìbànújẹ́ ló jẹ́ fún wa. Ọgbẹ́ ọkàn ló jẹ́ fún wa.
As I hear, say what so say you know them for mind at all. See it's everywhere. And pretty big notion that the person will be there, they go miss so much. We could not forget say President Muhammadu Buhari don't pay in condolence to the family of the Prophet TB Joshua. Buhari for the statement we can talk person Femi Adesina bring out also extend his sympathy to the synagogue church of all nations. The Nigerian leader notes say the followers of the renowned televangelist all over the world will miss him. Now they quote the president now. According to him, not only for his spiritual contribution, but for touching many lives through philanthropic gesture, President Buhari begged Pastor Joshua followers to take comfort for the knowledge, say they know they measure by chronological, by how we person live, but by enduring legacies and lives touched positively. My president's statement talks so. And if I still with the students and people that still they come in to sign the condolence register for here for Arigidi Akoko.
So why not?
And the people still dey here.
And another thing,
Tell us your name.
I'm Mrs. Oluro. I'm Mrs. Oluro. I'm from Afghanistan.
How you will describe wetin happen?
That's the truth of the matter.
It's a disaster. It was a shock when I heard
Yes.
So I was not impressed with what because we have in this our environment. We have really learned
So it's a very important
and the man has done a lot. Even as I was
Thank you. At the palace, people still dey coming to express their shock over the issue wey take happen. Also, I would like to inform us, former President Goodluck Jonathan say he is sad to hear the death of Prophet TB Joshua. Jonathan no happy say the spiritual leader of the Synagogue Church of All Nations died at the young age of 57. TB Joshua was a devout man of God who served God and humanity with relentless passion. The former Nigeria leader had a man of sound doctrine, meek and faithful to him call and passion of reconciling men to God and offering hope to humanity. The former president talk say, as Christian leader, TB Joshua and the ministry show example of Christ in faith, love, and charity. Say the death pain am well. Now our former president, Goodluck Ebele Jonathan. Now he talk that one. And as you can see, people no dey happy for here at all. And they express their shock over the issue with happened. People wake up. As people they go out, and so other people they come inside, whether they express their shock over the death. Make una no forget say the king he don insist say TB Joshua say they must bury him for Arigidi Akoko. We say they no go gree at all. They no go gree at all. May they bury the late monarch for anywhere. Good morning, sir.
Good morning to you.
Just your name, sir.
I'm Chief Olorunfemi Ayubusi.
As this matter be, how you take see am? As this matter be, how you take see am?
No, everybody knows the way any sensible person can see it. This is an international figure, and he has been known, he's a renowned Christian and humanitarian. So it's a big loss. You cannot express the loss, you cannot describe it. So it's a loss. Everybody is knocked down by the loss. So you can see the mood of everybody in the town. So God gives and God takes. The book of Job says that God gives and God takes. Blessed be the name of God. So it's a loss, but there is nothing